H-64 Apache is a battle-proven attack helicopter famous for its firepower, survivability, and sensors. With a tandem two-seat cockpit, the Apache pairs a 30mm chain gun with precision-guided Hellfire missiles and unguided rockets, allowing it to engage tanks, fortified positions, and a wide range of battlefield targets. Advanced optics and targeting systems give it day and night strike ability. Redundant systems and armor improve survivability in contested airspace. Over decades of upgrades, the Apache has evolved with modern avionics, networking, and sensor fusion to stay relevant against new threats. Its role is to provide close air support, armed reconnaissance, and anti-armor capability, supporting ground forces by delivering rapid, precise firepower. For commanders, the Apache is a backbone asset, highly effective, flexible, and proven in many conflicts worldwide. The Axum Marine Chaser 980 is a heavily protected, high-performance armored boat built for maritime security, rescue, and special operations. Imagine a craft that combines speed, protection, and seaworthiness. The Chaser 980 delivers bullets and blast-resistant hulls, ballistic glass rated to BR6, and unsinkable design features to keep crews safe in hostile waters. Capable of reaching high speeds, useful for interception or rapid insertion. It handles rough coastal conditions and supports diverse missions from patrol and counter-piracy to search and rescue and special forces transport. Options for weapon mounts, turrets, and mission-specific gear make it adaptable for law enforcement or military roles. Its stability and survivability mean operations can continue under fire or in bad weather, while modular fittings let commanders tailor the boat to mission needs. For countries and agencies that need a dependable, armored maritime platform able to react fast, the Chaser 980 is a practical, rugged solution that keeps people and missions afloat, literally and figuratively. Bolt and Bolt-M are a family of small, autonomous aerial systems by Anduril or similar advanced firms, optimized for intelligence, surveillance, reconnaissance, ISR, and strike missions. Bolt is typically a man-portable ISR UAV, lightweight, easy to carry, and excellent at scouting and tracking targets. Bolt-M is a munitionized variant that adds a warhead for precision strikes at short ranges. Both platforms emphasize autonomy, waypoint navigation, automatic target tracking, and onboard decision aids let operators focus on tactics rather than manual flying. Bolt-M enables ground forces to apply precision fires quickly when a target is identified, shortening the kill chain. Their portability and autonomy make them valuable to small units operating in complex terrain, where immediate ISR and precision effects are needed. In essence, Bolt and Bolt-M give frontline teams a compact airborne eye and, when required, a fast, accurate strike option, increasing situational awareness and lethality without heavy logistics. DJI's Matrice 4 series, Matrice 4T and 4E, represents a new generation of enterprise drones packed with professional sensors and smart capabilities. These platforms are built for demanding civilian and public safety tasks, surveying, inspections, emergency response, mapping, and search and rescue. The Matrice 4T typically focuses on thermal inspection and long-range monitoring, while the 4E may be optimized for mapping, LiDAR, or multispectral tasks. Both use intelligent obstacle sensing, AI-assisted detection, and precise positioning systems to gather high-quality data with minimal operator effort. Longer flight times and robust payload options let teams collect more information per sortie. What sets the Matrice 4 apart is its blend of usability and capability. Powerful compute for onboard processing, easy payload swaps, and safety features that make complex missions accessible to operators without specialist pilot skills. For industries and first responders that need reliable, fast aerial data collection, the Matrice 4 series delivers professional results with enterprise-grade reliability. Hypersonic missiles travel at speeds above Mach 5, 5 times the speed of sound, and often combine that speed with maneuverability. This lethal mix makes them hard to detect, track, and intercept using traditional missile defenses. Some are glide vehicles launched on rockets that then glide through the atmosphere at extreme speeds. Others are air-breathing cruise-like weapons that sustain hypersonic flight. Because they fly lower and can change course mid-flight, hypersonics reduce reaction time for defenders and increase the difficulty of neutralizing them. They can carry conventional or nuclear warheads and are being pursued by several major powers for the ability to strike high-value or time-sensitive targets quickly. The strategic implications are big. Hypersonics force changes to early warning systems, missile defenses, and doctrines for deterrence and escalation. Nations are racing to build better sensors, interceptors, and layered defenses, and to deploy their own hypersonic strike options. In short, hypersonic missiles represent a major shift in strike capability, demanding new approaches to detection, tracking, and response. Leonardo Brightstorm is a compact, high-performance electronic warfare (EWs) payload built for modern, small unmanned aerial vehicles (UAVs). Think of it as a smart noisemaker. Brightstorm can spoof, jam, and confuse enemy radars and communications so friendly forces can operate safely. Its low size, weight, and power (SWaP) make it ideal for integration on tactical drones or loitering munitions where heavy EW gear would be impractical. What makes Brightstorm useful is its blend of advanced digital radio frequency memory (DRFM) techniques and adaptive jamming. It doesn't just blast signals blindly, it analyzes incoming radar comm patterns and crafts deceptive replies to fool adversary sensors. That capability protects aircraft, convoys, and ground units by reducing the chance of detection or targeting. Because it's modular, operators can tailor its functions for different missions, from short-term suppression to longer-duration deception. In short, Brightstorm brings heavy-duty electronic warfare to small platforms. It widens the protection envelope for modern forces by letting even small drones carry powerful countermeasures. For contested battlefields where sensors rule, Brightstorm helps friendly systems stay one step ahead by hiding them in plain electromagnetic sight. The Medusa X is a portable high-tech defense system designed to detect and counter drones before they become a threat. Weighing only 12 kilograms, it's light enough to carry in a backpack yet powerful enough to scan a full 360 degrees in seconds. It uses a unique mirror-based scanning system and advanced edge computing to identify and track unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, with pinpoint accuracy. Unlike older detection systems, Medusa X can tell the difference between drones, birds, or other flying objects, reducing false alarms. This makes it ideal for protecting military convoys, headquarters, VIPs, or strategic sites from drone attacks. Its fast setup and reliable performance give ground forces an edge in any environment. In an era where drones are used for surveillance and warfare, Medusa X serves as a shield in the sky. providing real-time awareness and protection wherever it's deployed. The MLVD, Modular Large Vehicle Disruptor, is an innovative counter-IED tool designed to neutralize vehicle-borne improvised explosive devices, VBIEDs, without triggering explosions. Instead of a traditional blast, MLVD uses a high-pressure water jet system to penetrate vehicle hulls and neutralize the IED components or disrupt firing mechanisms. This approach allows teams to safely disable threats while minimizing collateral damage and risk to surrounding personnel. The modular design means MLVD can be adapted to different vehicle sizes and mission requirements and can be mounted on robotics for remote deployment. Keeping EOD, explosive ordnance disposal, cruise at a safe distance. Versatility is another key. MLVD can breach doors, disable ignition systems, and be reconfigured rapidly in the field. For urban or convoy operations where VBIEDs are a real hazard, MLVD offers a pragmatic, lower-risk alternative to blowing a vehicle apart, preserving infrastructure and saving lives while neutralizing the threat. Rheinmetall's Keeler Next Generation is a specialist armored breaching and engineering vehicle meant to clear minefields, obstacles, and other hazards quickly and safely. Built on a heavy-tracked chassis, related to the Leopard family, Keeler combines brute force with smart systems. It can plow through obstacles, detonate buried ordnance in a controlled manner, and mark safe lanes for follow-on forces. Features like a rocket-assisted detonation system, lane-marking equipment, and remote operation reduce risk to personnel during explosive ordnance disposal. The vehicle's agility, good climbing and trench-crossing capabilities, helps it operate in frontline conditions. Defensive systems and remote weapon stations provide self-protection while it conducts hazardous tasks. In short, Keeler speeds up mobility under fire. Rather than halting an advance at a minefield or barrier, forces equipped with Keeler can breach and clear routes rapidly and safely, maintaining operational tempo. In modern combined arms operations, that ability to fight through obstacles can be decisive. Turkey's defense leader, Sarsılmaz, has unveiled the Sarbo, an advanced armed robot that's changing how ground operations are carried out. Built for high-risk missions, Sarbo combines mobility, firepower, and smart autonomy to perform tasks too dangerous for humans. It can patrol perimeters, conduct reconnaissance, and engage in combat with precision. Thanks to its advanced sensors and locally developed technologies, Sarbo can move seamlessly across rough terrain while staying fully aware of its surroundings. The robot's modular design means it can be equipped with various weapons and tools depending on the mission. What makes Sarbo even more impressive is its ability to make quick tactical decisions through AI-based control systems. Showcased at the Saha Expo 2024 in Istanbul, this innovation highlights Turkey's growing independence in defense manufacturing. Sarbot is more than just a robot. It's a symbol of the future battlefield, where machines and humans work together for smarter, safer missions.